I guess what I'm trying to say is there is a special place in my heart, of course, for my own mom. My mother raised 5 boys in Miami when there wasn't much choice in the Miami other than being a drug dealer or some type of enforcer or no. One. Hey, it's shovelheadffej, and I am in the shovelhead shed. And today is Mother's Day, and I just want to say thank you to all the mothers out there, and the stepmoms and the moms to be. Today there's no music. I realize I have a motorcycle channel, but there's no motorcycles today. There's no music. There's nothing funny or nothing. It's just saying Happy Mother's Day to the mothers. And one of the sad things about getting older in life, and the majority of my viewers are my age or a little bit more, maybe a few years younger, but most of us has lost our moms. And for me, I lost my mom about 2 years ago. It was probably the hardest thing I ever had to go through in my life, and I went through a lot in my life. But the sting is still there, still present. I miss her very much. I miss her every single day. She raised 5 boys in Miami, Florida, during the time when Miami was a pretty violent place. And like a mother hen, man, she was able to keep all of us safe, and we were able to get to adulthood and make choices in our lives. I'm very thankful for her, and like I said, I miss her, man. And most guys that watch my channel are within my age group, and pretty much we've either lost our parents physically or we've lost them mentally, but that's one of the curses of getting older, is that you have to say goodbye to your parents, and yeah, that's a tough thing. So not trying to make this video such a downer, just want to say thank you, Mom, and thanks to all the moms, all the stepmoms, all the women out there, all the mothers to be, that's taking care of their kids, through thick and thin. If it wasn't for the support, my mom had 5 boys, but I know I was my mom's number 1, and I know that she was my biggest fan and my biggest supporter in anything and everything I did through my whole life. She kept me on the straight and narrow. There's many times that I would have went into a direction that would have probably sent me to prison for a long time, but I thought, can't let my mom down. So my mom was a good woman, like most moms. Anyway, miss her very much, and sorry that this video doesn't have anything to do with motorcycles, but there are a couple behind me. But hug your wives, hug the necks of the mothers. There's a few of them I know. So anyway, happy Mother's Day. I know that probably not a lot of moms are watching this, but it's mainly to the guys. Take care of your wives, take care of your moms. If they're still alive, tell them you love them. But the ones that have the moms that have passed on, you know exactly what I feel and going through. And thank you, Ma. Happy Mother's Day to all y'all. Yeah, that's about it, man.